Stop it.
Good morning / afternoon, cousins. I haven't vlogged for a long time, and I wonder if they can hear me over your car. I haven't vlogged for a long time, but we are headed to the shrine of the most, I don't know the name actually. Things that you didn't know or things that you didn't know were around you. There's this really famous Catholic church / shrine that's actually in Alabama. If you guys don't know, I am from Alabama. I live in Alabama, not Tennessee, not Georgia, not Mississippi, and it was only an hour away, and that's like closer than places that we go for even other things. So we decided to just go, especially because I'm in 21 days of prayer and fasting right now. Today is day 20, so we're closing it out, and I just thought it would be great to visit. Like, it's supposed to be like one of the biggest tourist attractions like in the United States. Like, they said like over 100,000 people come and they pilgrimage to this place. And I am not Catholic, but I am Christian, and I'm also very open, and I love to experience other people's culture and religion and practices. I like to just immerse myself with it all. So that's where we're going.
What it do?
So we just passed our first Confederate flag on the way down here. It was hanging high and proud. Matter of fact, there was 2 of them attached to the Alabama state flag. And I don't know if you guys know what the Alabama state flag looks like, but it looks like a Confederate flag without the blue, basically, and without the stars. But living in Alabama, seeing a Confederate flag is just one of those things that you see. I don't know if I'm desensitized to it. Are you desensitized to Confederate flags?
It still bothers me a little bit, no lie.
Yeah, it definitely, especially because we're actively going into an area, like we're not driving away from the Confederate flag. Like, we're driving into, this is in Huntsville, Alabama. So,
Anybody who support the Confederate flag, to me personally, you're basically saying that you're okay with me still being a slave. I've actually had a few white friends that I had to talk to about it, and they had no idea that it was really that deep to black people. But one of them was actually understanding. He was like, I totally feel you, and you know, I won't, you know, like bring it up or wear it around you or something like that. If I see you around it or represent it, I'm gonna say something, and I'm gonna let you know that's real disrespectful.
Can you be friends with somebody who wear the Confederate flag even if it's not around you?
I could be associates with somebody, but I definitely can't be a friend. But that's a whole nother like story. But
I can't.
I used the friend term loosely right then, just talking to y'all, but like they was just a co-worker / associate. Like, we would never really hang out or something like that.
Like, I would never look at you the same. Like, I don't care if you say that you won't wear it around me, or you understand, or that's not what, like, oh, tradition, or old South, or whatever. And it's like argument, this debate, whatever. When this comes up, everybody wants to say, oh, it's just holding on to tradition, oh, it's just holding on to, it's not about slavery, it's tradition, it's history. But those same people will tell you to get over slavery, and it's like, wait a minute, like which one are we gonna hold on to then? Like, pick a side. Like, are we holding on to what you did to me? Because if you want to hold on to the tradition of the Confederate flag, then just, you know, the line of reasoning means that I need to hold on to what happened when that Confederate flag was flying. So it's like, if you want black people to get over slavery, then I need you to get over slavery. Like, gotta get GQ.
Face shining.
So it's really peaceful out here. I will say that it's very peaceful. It's very quiet. I think we are in front of the main church or the main chapel, and my hair looks a mess, y'all. I think we're gonna go in, but I think that is the section where you can't film, and I really just kind of wanted to go in and have a little quiet time with God. Like I said, I'm not Catholic, but I am Christian, so I thought this would be a great place just to dwell in, where God dwells everywhere. But hopefully my wig don't fly off, child. So I just left out of the actual sanctuary, and as I was leaving, a woman just came up to me and she gave me 2 charms, and she just said that they were blessed with special exorcism blessings, which just means that it keeps unwanted demons and spirits away. And she gave one to me and TJ, and I'm actually really excited. I feel like maybe, I was just telling him, I feel like maybe that was the sole reason for coming. Like, I feel like God actually calls you to do certain things, calls you to be certain places that you may not understand. I feel like that may have been the reason, because recently I just feel like a lot of heavy spirits and negativity and just spirits of discouragement and defeat and all that just weighing heavy on me, because I feel like this is a big year of a lot of change in my life. So I feel like God may have like sent me here specifically for that. Hey guys, if you've made it all the way to this part of the video, you definitely should be my cousin. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. We can't ever get a selfie, so maybe if we just, hey babe, we just smile. We'll screenshot that. I don't know, as soon as I like stepped out, I just felt instantly like peaceful. And that may just be something that you're taught when you step on church ground. You just calm yourself, but I don't know. So now we have gone in like the, I know that's not it because we looked at a map. We went into the sanctuary. That was the upper, because there's 2 that you can't take photos in, the upper and the lower. So.
Yeah, I'm thinking about coming back up here and shoot if it's not too weird. Hey.
How you doing?
Well, how are you doing?
Good. God bless you.